What's going on, everybody? Blake Dungy here with Epoxy It Minnesota. In this video, we'll be showcasing a concrete coating system we installed at a garage condo here in Shakopee, Minnesota. Check it out. So the first step to this process is diamond grinding the floor. This is going to remove the surface level contaminants as well as open the pores of the concrete so our epoxy can really penetrate deep into the pores of the concrete to get that adhesion that we want out of it. After you grind, you'll see some shrinkage cracks in the concrete revealed, so we're going to go ahead and fix those up and then move right on to our vertical surfaces, in this case, the baseboard. For all vertical surfaces, we'll actually use a thicker viscosity epoxy so that the flake will adhere better to that vertical surface. Once that's all done, we'll clean up and we're going to move to our base coat. Our base coat will use a high solids, low viscosity epoxy from a brand called Concrete Collective. I'll leave a link in the description, but their products are very contractor friendly, they're consistent, and what I really like about them is they're not as stiff out of the bucket, so they're really easy to lay out and roll out for a nice smooth finish. Once that base coat's rolled out, we're going to broadcast flake to refusal. Basically what that means is we're going to broadcast flake until we can't see any more wet epoxy on the ground. Now, typically on day one, we'll actually prep, epoxy, and flake, let that epoxy cure overnight to really get deep into the pores of the concrete. Then we come back the second day, and that's when we'll apply our polyaspartic top coat. So now that our epoxy is cured, we're going to come back, scrape the floor, vacuum all the excess flake, and that's going to leave us with a nice consistent finish throughout. On this job site, the rain came out of nowhere for about 20 minutes, so we really had to scramble to get all of our stuff inside and close the garage doors so that our floor wouldn't get wet. Now, when it comes to polyaspartic, you really have to know what you're doing because it is a fast curing product and there's a certain way to roll it out. As you can see, the floor turned out awesome. Huge shout out to Park Place Storage. If you want to learn more about their garage condos, I'll leave a link in the description. They're an incredible customer and we wouldn't be where we're at today without the support and help of them. So thank you again, Park Place Storage. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, hit that subscribe button below, and thank you again for watching.